In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Silent Hill F on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over here, because we are not going to buy this game at Steam, we are going to download it at another website. Quickly search up this game, Silent Hill F, then select it, scroll a little bit down and then you will find this game for a price of €79.99. Very expensive, but don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now here we are going to search for the same game, Silent Hill F. Search for the game. After that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done this, we need to search for a PC version with this text marked green, so the game can be activated in our country, very important. And once you have found one, then you can select it. After that, the game page will be opened, and as you can see, we can already download this game for €29.52 compared to the Steam price of €79.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.